We all want the same thing for the people of Ukraine. Ukrainians deserve to live in a peaceful and prosperous country within secure and internationally recognised borders, and we wish to see Ukraine take its rightful place in the European Union family of nations and shared values. As Ireland takes up the EU presidency today, I pledge our steadfast support for Ukraine. We will work to ensure you continue to receive the political, financial and military support Ukraine needs to resist Russia's aggression. We will work to continue the disbursement of the European Union support loan. We will work to step up pressure on Russia to deny it the revenues to prosecute this illegal war and to bring it to the negotiating table. And this includes reaching early agreement on the 21st sanctions package and looking ahead to a possible 22nd package of sanctions. Ukraine's place is as a member of the European family. The start of Ukraine's European Union accession negotiations last month was a very significant milestone. We must maintain this momentum, and as Presidency, Ireland will work to secure the opening of all remaining clusters by the end of our term. Millions of Ukrainians have been forced to flee their homes and country, with Ireland hosting more than 80,000 Ukrainians today. They have integrated into Irish society and are enriching our communities in many ways, as many more have also done across the European Union. I have no doubt they will play an important role in rebuilding their country when Russia's war ends. President Zelensky, Volodymyr, you can count on our presidency of the European Union to keep support for Ukraine at the top of the European Union agenda. And you can count on the solidarity and support of the Irish people. We will stand with you for as long as it takes. Slava Ukraini.